Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to replace a washing machine boot or seal, as some people call it. It's one of my least favorite things to do. It can be tricky. It's a lot of steps just to replace it, but you can see I already am taking the machine apart here. I got the soap dispenser on, just pulling the screws. I do have another video where I show you how to take this apart if you want to watch that, but otherwise we'll just kind of get right after it here. So stick around and enjoy and let me know what you think. Well, there's the culprit. That's why we're replacing this boot here. It's a pretty good tear there. So there's basically one big giant spring that kind of holds this boot on. Basically, you have to just pull hard on it, and it'll come off. But sometimes it's tricky. But usually, just kind of give it a hard pull, and it'll come off, just like this here. This bottle just says dish soap and water, kind of to clean up the area, and it also helps when you put the new boot on. So this boot has a grooved slot or a slot, and we're just pushing it on the lip of the washing machine. It can be kind of tricky. It actually isn't the easiest thing to do, and that's why it sucks, but it will go on. That's why I use dish soap, as it makes it a little easier. So we're going to take this tool that actually comes with the boot. I have 4 of them, and it makes it a heck of a lot easier than 2 of them. And then we stretch that spring around, as you can see. You really got to stretch it, you really got to pull hard, but that's why 4 is better than 2, because otherwise 2, a lot of times they pop out. But with 4, as you can see, they don't pop out, and we get the spring around. So I'm going to put the machine back together, and then we're going to leak check it, and then I'm going to have a slowed down version here at the end of all that. So if anyone wants to check that out, feel free. Just what you've already seen, just slowed down so it's a little easier to see for when you have to do it yourself. So I just leave the lower right hand side screw out of the machine so I can peek my head in there and take a look. I've been running the cycle here for a minute or 2. No water noted here. I'll run a few more times and just make sure there's no leaking. But we should be good to go on this one. Well, there you have it. Here's the slower version, but thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, whatever you want. Appreciate it, and take care, my friends.